from government schools. He graduated from the most prestigious Government Medical College of Pune and holds an MBBS degree. Post his graduation, he started his career in the sector of pharmaceutical research, wherein he worked with various MNCs and gained a rich experience in the sector. Post his stint with the private sector, he took the most prestigious civil services examination in the year 2006 and has since been serving the public of Maharashtra through his unparalleled work in various government departments across the state. He is one of those officers who aims to make a remarkable contribution with his relentless efforts as an eminent part of the government. His aim is to promote utmost transparency and honesty in the working system so as to maximize the benefits of his services to the public. His surprise transfers from departments have been a manifestation of his honesty and fearlessness in his style of working. It was a result of these characteristics that his latest transfer from Panvel Municipal Corporation made headlines in the media reports this year. He has won hearts of the public wherever he has served. This was evident when at the time of his transfer from PCMC, residents of Panvel ran campaigns and online petitions to cancel his transfer orders. He has been fearless in his approach and has worked with a single-minded aim to benefit the public from his actions and his initiatives. He has conducted various raids, busted illegal sand mining, and forefronted the most sensitive investigations to ensure that miscreants were given their share of punishment. He pioneered the campaign of banning plastic bags in his department, which has now been replicated by all departments across the state. He has famously bagged the reputation of being a no-nonsense bureaucrat and believes in going on the field and being accessible to the people he serves, whether face-to-face, on phone, emails, or messages. He is currently posted as the CEO of Rajiv Gandhi Jeevandai Arogya Yojana Society and is very efficaciously managing the largest state-level health scheme with 2.23 crore beneficiary families. He has now successfully integrated the state scheme Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Jan Arogya Yojana with the center's flagship scheme Ayushman Bharat. The schemes have been very tactfully merged to implement the new model along with ensuring continuity of benefits to the beneficiaries of the existing state scheme, which is also the largest and is being viewed as a role model by other states. Within few months, he has effortlessly grabbed the nuances of the insurance model, TPAs, etc., and has completely taken charge of the health scheme. He has already taken steps to promote transparency and weed out stakeholders indulging in maleficent activities. He has continued to make headlines in his current posting as well. He proactively conducted midnight raids in various suspected impaneled hospitals with TPAs and insurance companies. Within 3 days, he suspended approximately 10 hospitals indulging in wrong practices, displaying his philosophy of zero tolerance towards fraud. His efforts at effectively managing the scheme have been discussed at the central platform as well during meetings of National Health Authority. We look forward to his valuable inputs today to enlighten us with all his experience of effectively managing the largest state-level health scheme in the country. Now I request Dr. Satya Brahma to escort Dr. Sudhakar Shindeji to the stage to do the honors. Can we have a round of applause for this fearless, iconic leader?
Yes. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Satya, for inviting me for this function. It's always a pleasure to meet my dear friends and colleagues at such occasions. I have been told to speak for 5 minutes at this occasion. taking an opportunity of this platform, I would like to sensitize all the people present here and through you, all the people whom you know, regarding the biggest challenge that has been posed to the humanity in this century, the COVID-19 pandemic. I have been reviewing the data since morning, and the current trends within the city, within the state and in the country are quite concerning. We all have to take all the due precautions, have to take adequate care and fight it out. I think we are on the last lap to fight this pandemic out. Our state, the country is being immunized at the very fast pace. We are proud to have the largest number of people being immunized within very short span, and we are also rolling out immunization for kids, immunization for booster doses for healthcare workers, frontline workers and people above 60 years. Honorable Prime Minister has already rolled out the plan and it will be operationalized in next week. So I request you to be very diligent, take all adequate cares and vaccinate your kids, vaccinate your senior citizens and observe COVID appropriate behavior. At least for another couple of months we have to put up with COVID, and the vaccine availability, access of vaccines to all the world, especially third world countries, and when we have equitable vaccine across the globe, we are going to win over the crisis. It will take some time and we need support and participation of all the citizens in this fight against such deadly pandemic of the century. As far as my job is concerned, I have been managing this health insurance scheme, world's biggest health insurance scheme for last 3 years, which has been one of the mainstay of COVID treatment in the state. So, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Yojana and my state's flagship scheme, Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Jan Arogya Yojana, are world's biggest health insurance scheme. Ayushman Bharat scheme provides health insurance to more than 10 crore families, which amounts to more than 50 crore people, and it is world's biggest health insurance scheme. It provides health coverage to the target population for 5 lakh rupees per family per year. Government of Maharashtra has gone a step beyond it, and Government of Maharashtra is the only state in this country which provides universal health insurance to all its citizens and all the ration card holders. We are providing healthcare coverage to 2.5 crore families, that amounts to more than 12 crore citizens of this state. We are giving health insurance free of charge to all the people. To you and through you, you are the people who must be having their own private health insurance schemes, but people who work for you, your maids, your drivers, people whom you come in contact with, some people might be working at your workplace. Please be aware that Maharashtra government has paid more than 2,000 crore rupees as premium towards these people, and they are entitled to get 1.5 lakh rupees free treatment in various 1,000 hospitals in the state. This is a totally cashless and paperless scheme. Almost all the diseases, right from bypass surgery, angioplasty, cancer surgeries, cancer chemotherapies, cancer radiation, kidney diseases, even kidney transplant is covered in the scheme. You please, if somebody needs any help, you should Google Ayushman Bharat Maharashtra, or there is a free helpline which works 24/7 across the state. The lifeline number is 155388. There are 36 executives sitting day and night to attend the calls and guide the people. If we are able to provide access to these beneficiaries to such biggest health insurance scheme, I think my purpose to come here and attend this function will be served. If we are able to save these out-of-pocket expenditures done by these people for their health care and their families' health care, these people can invest this money in a better productive manner, and it will help to boost the economy as well. The National Statistics Survey Organization data suggests that every year 5% people are pushed below poverty line because of this catastrophic out-of-pocket cash expenditures. And through this function, you are the people who influence society, you are the people who are the leaders of various sectors in the society. If you people can act as a bridge and pass on this information to the end beneficiaries, then my purpose of coming here and spending 2 hours is served in letter and spirit. Thank you again so much for listening me patiently. Satya, thank you again to giving me an opportunity to interact with such great leaders of the society. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.